So, do you have a problem getting stuck in the snow on ice? Well, I'm about to show you guys some simple tips so you guys can get out. So, first of all, you want to make sure before you get in your vehicle the distance between the car in front of you and the car behind you. You want to make sure that you have plenty of room. So what you want to do, turn on your vehicle, obviously. So the first thing you're going to want to do before you try and pull forward, now if you pull forward, you obviously know you're stuck, so you can pull forward, see if you can get out. If you can't, put it in reverse, straighten your wheels out, try and make sure that your wheels are even. Again, check the person behind you. Get a little room. If you can't go any further, go back. If you just spin, then what you do is you go forward just a little bit. You slowly go forward a little bit, and what you're doing is you're packing in the snow, then go reverse, put it in reverse until you can't go no more. And then what you're going to do, if this goober gets out of the way, you basically go forward and reverse, but don't do it hard or you're going to ruin your transmission. You just simply lightly put it in drive, slowly creep forward a little bit, pack down the snow just a little bit, put it in reverse, let the motor do the work, push you back, and then put on your gas a little bit until your front tires spin. Now put it in drive and we're ready to go. You want to turn your wheel just slightly, make sure you got enough distance, check your surroundings, and simply go. And you're out, just like that. The key there is when you start spinning, just tap the gas, give it some gas, but tap it. You want to make sure that you do not hit the person in front of you. So you got to know what you're doing when it comes to that kind of stuff. But you can get out of a lot of situations like that. And what's this kid doing? So those are just my thoughts on how to get out of situation where you're stuck. If you can't go in reverse anymore, your tires are spinning, edge forward a little bit, then go back and just lightly within a pattern, just like I showed you guys. Don't be trying to floor it backwards and then floor it frontwards, floor it backwards. You'll ruin your transmission doing it that way. And make sure when you give it some gas for the initial pull out that you're not too close to the car in front of you, because you got to give yourself room that you're going to slide when you're trying to go forward. So hopefully this helps you guys. If you need any other advice, let me know and I'll see what I can do. I do want to also point out that front wheel drive and rear wheel drive vehicles are going to be a little different. So if you are in that situation where you're stuck in with your rear wheel, see, this is a front wheel drive, so the front wheels are pulling the vehicle. If you have a if you got a rear wheel drive vehicle, then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try and back up as far as you can, dig back up, and then take your initial punch to go forward. Have your wheel slightly turned, and as you're going forward, turn your wheel sharp to pull out, but make sure nobody else is around you. Make sure you have plenty of distance in front of the person, the person in front of you, and you shall be fine. You'll get out of it. If you go forward and you slide and you're too close to the person in front of you, then go backwards. But keep in mind, tapping the gas is the key. You give it gas and you tap it and you throttle the gas pedal. It's just the key, guys. So hopefully it helps some of you guys out. Alright, we gotta fill up my wife's car with some good old gas.